As a child growing up, peanuts and peanut butter in particular were part of my day every day. I would go to school with a peanut butter jelly sandwich. I knew it was going to be delicious. Today, I have the delicious privilege of enjoying a delicious U.S. chicken thigh with peanut sauté sauce. That is so good. Now you have the salty sweet of a peanut sauté on top with a little bit of breadcrumb covering, so you have juicy moist chicken, salty sweet peanut butter, a magnificent meal.
Hello, my name is Frédéric Mardel. I am the executive chef from US Ambassador, and I'm working here for 13 years. We like to prepare the American chicken thigh with American peanuts butter. We show you the ingredient. Alors, we have peanuts butter, crunchy peanuts butter from America, of course. We have whole grain mustard. We have tomato for topping on the garnish. This is also the garlic for cooking with oil, salt, pepper. We have white wine also for cooking with the chicken. This is a crumble bread, and this one is the flour for the chicken. Now let's go to start to cutting. I take out the excess of the fat, and I will take out the bone with the knife. This is a special knife for cutting the meat. We have to take out the bone. Okay, this is the bone. Okay, this is the chicken. I will take out a little bit of the blood. You have a little bit piece of blood here. Okay. And now we open a little bit the top of the chicken for easy cooking, for not so long time cooking, for more fast cooking. Just a little bit, make butterfly style, if we can say. We take out also the kind of small bone sometimes you have here. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Chicken is like that. So the bone we can use for the chicken bouillon if you want. You can make some soup or a little bit. Now the chicken is ready. Just to put in salt and pepper. Both sides, of course. And the salt. Okay. Now you have enough salt and pepper. We put on the flour. Okay. Just for crispy, make a chicken crispy. I will take out the excess of flour too. Okay. So now I will put the olive oil. Of course, we put a lot of olive oil because chicken have to be crispy. That's why we put olive oil. I put the 2 pieces of garlic for making tasty, and a little bit coloration of the garlic for making flavor on the olive oil. Now it's coming a little bit hot, and the oil have a flavor of the garlic. Okay, the clove of garlic you can use again for if you want to do some pasta. Okay, now the oil have enough flavor. Now I will put my chicken on the skin first. To have a color. Always the skin on the first, every time, eh? You see, you smell the garlic. Coming, eh? To make more fast, with the oil, maybe. A little more. Okay, this one is done. I will put here. This one a little bit more. A little bit more bigger. That's why if you make on the pan only, you open a little bit for more fast cooking. If you don't take out the bone, you have to put in oven. Finish in oven for about 5 to 6 minutes. Eh? Nice, look like okay. Alright. You repose a little bit. Repose meaning a little bit less like that for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. The time to prepare the peanut butter. Now first, after that, when you're done with this oil, with this chicken, we take out the oil. On the same pan, you're putting the white wine. You reduce a little bit for have more flavor, the chicken flavor inside of peanut butter. You need to alcohol go out a little bit. Alright, now the leftover of the wine you put here on the bowl. Cool down a little bit. Waiting a little bit now because now it's coming, it's hot. Huh? After that, you put mustard. If you put the mustard already, it's making more cool. Eh? And the peanut butter. We should to mix well everything. Okay. Now it's a kind of paste. Mixing together, see? Like that, ne? Alright. Now prepare the crumble. We put the all ingredients together. Put the crumble, parsley, Parmesan cheese. Any kind of cheese you can use, but bon, the best way is the Parmesan cheese because it's more a bit more dry and also not melted so much, and it's already salty. That's why we put on the plate. After on the plate, we put like that for easy for making the chicken. Okay, now we take the chicken what we have already. Now we put the peanut butter on top. We take a spoon, just like that. Okay. This time we take the bone from here and you just turn over there and you press with the crumble. Alright, the crumble is here. Okay. You can put a little bit more on top with your hand. Okay. Only one side, only where you have the peanut butter. Okay. You take a plate. Take out the chicken, you put here on the plate. Alright, and you put on the toaster. this is a professional toaster. You can use also the oven. It's okay. Okay. It's done. Now let's go to dressage. Tomato, and I will put some lettuce. I will put also some Italian parsley. This is extra, but you can do anything you want. You can put also some vegetable, or you can put some potato gratin, anything you want, if you like. Okay, and I will put some little bit parsley and the tomato on the top. Yeah. All right. Okay. That's it. Enjoy the meal.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the U.S. Ambassador's Residence in Tokyo, Japan. Today, I have the delicious privilege of enjoying a delicious U.S. chicken thigh with peanut satay sauce. Now, both of those are very special ingredients to me. As a child growing up, peanuts and peanut butter in particular were part of my day every day. I would go to school with a peanut butter jelly sandwich. I knew it was going to be delicious, and my mother knew I was getting a delicious and nutritious sandwich. Chicken was also an extra special treat, as it is today. And in the summer in the United States, Americans love to grill, they love fried chicken, and so chicken and peanuts together, it's now bringing two of my favorite ingredients, together for what I know is going to be magnificent. Let's find out. That is so good. You not only have the delicious, moist chicken, but now you have the salty sweet of a peanut satay on top with a little bit of breadcrumb covering, so you have juicy, moist chicken, salty, sweet peanut butter, a magnificent meal. So as I mentioned, Americans love chicken. It can be prepared in so many ways, but fried chicken is one of our favorite dishes. So imagine how happy I was when I moved to Tokyo to try karaage. It's also delicious. So if you like karaage, I encourage you to try this dish. At home, this is easy to prepare. You take the chicken thigh, you prepare it. It could be baked, it could be fried, and then you dress it with this amazing peanut satay sauce. This is a home run.